We're going to keep this super simple and straight to the point. You need to be adding Etsy videos to your Etsy listings to get more views and more sales, bottom line. And I was reluctant to do this in the beginning because I was like, another thing that I have to add to my list of things to do. I was annoyed, actually. But the moment I gave in and started adding videos of my products to my Etsy listings, I saw an increase in sales. Because we have to remember that on Etsy or any online shopping platform, people are not able to feel the products or see them 360 or zoomed in as if they were in a brick and mortar shop. Back in the day on Etsy, people could only see one 2D photo of what they were getting, and then they allowed more photos, but still it's not the same as seeing it in movement or zoomed in or 360 or different angles. Now that people have the option to see a product in all different ways, they're more confident and trusting to buy the product. So yeah, you could still list your products without a listing video, but they're not going to be as comfortable to buy your product that's next to a similar product that has a video with it. And the reason why I was reluctant in the beginning to add videos to my listings is because I didn't know how to do it. I'm doing print on demand. I said, how can I add a video of a product that I don't even have in my hand? But now we have a tool within Kittl that will make you a listing video in a matter of 3 clicks. It's ridiculous. And that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you how we can take a product from within PRINTIFY, bring a picture of that into Kittl, quickly turn that into an aesthetically pleasing mock-up, and then within 3 clicks have 3 Etsy listing videos to choose from for the one video that you will place into your Etsy listing, because we're only allowed 1 video in our Etsy listings. It's never been easier to add this step to increase your Etsy sales. So let's jump into it. All right, so here we are within Kittl, and I want to show you down here how they have a video section. So they have product videos, another product video, but here is what I love is they have actual Etsy templates here. So selling an Etsy mug or Etsy digital print, Etsy candles, an Etsy listing, another Etsy listing. In general, it seems that they are really making Etsy sellers a priority, which is super exciting. And now, if you are watching this before April 25th, Kittl is running a limited time special offer. If you use the link in my description below and use code ETSY in all caps at checkout, you will get 2 months free on yearly plans, plus additional video generations through extra tokens. So again, make sure you click that link in my description below and use code ETSY in all caps at checkout. And here's my go-to right here for print on demand, the Etsy shirt video template. So let's actually click into this. I'm going to use this template here, and I'm going to click use template. So you're going to see all of this when you click into the template. There's 2 ways of doing this. I'm going to zoom into the first way. So the first way is if you already have your design on a mock-up, you already have your product in a scene like this. So what I'm going to do is pull in a design that I have on a sweatshirt to show you what you would do in this scenario. So we're going to come over here to upload, and you're going to pull in that finished mock-up that you already have. Okay, so I just uploaded my image. I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to delete it. I'm now going to drag this image in. I'm going to scale it to fit a little better. Now the next step is to come up here to this purple text and click on it. And then you're going to come right here to the prompt box and click. And then you can change this around to anything you'd like. This is the prompt to turn it into a video, or you can just use it as is and click regenerate. You're going to do the same thing for all 3 videos. So clicking here, regenerate, clicking here, regenerate. Okay, so now we have 3 videos to choose from, because keep in mind you can only choose 1 listing video for your Etsy listing. So let's check out this first one that is a 360 model rotation. Play. Awesome. This one is a zoom in. That looks really great. And this one is just subtle movements. I think I'd probably go with this subtle movements one or this zoom in. So that's the way to do it when you already have a mock-up image complete. Now, if you only have your product and you do not have a mock-up image just yet, Kittl will make one for you. So I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that. First, what I'm going to do is come into PRINTIFY. PRINTIFY is who I use to print, package, and ship all of my print-on-demand orders. So we're going to come to catalog here, and I'm going to come to t-shirts. And we're going to go to my bestseller in all of my shops, the Bella Canvas 3001. I also really love the Comfort Colors 1717, but for this video, we're going to jump in here and we're going to choose Start Designing. And now I'm going to pull in my design onto this shirt. So I'm going to come over here to Upload and My Device and grab my design. If you did not see my previous trend video, you have to go check it out. It's the video that I posted right before this one, and it's talking about this cute little guy and how he is trending all over the internet. You definitely don't want to miss this trend video tutorial. I will link that in the description below. And for this, I'm going to use my go-to for especially this time of year. Look at all these options, guys. Soft cream, ding, ding, ding. This is one of my best-selling t-shirts. Bella Canvas 3001 soft cream. Then what I'm going to do is come up here to preview and see how this is a very basic mock-up. This is not something that I would use in my Etsy shops. It just would not convert. It's not aesthetically pleasing. But what we can do and should do is use this preview right here to help us make an aesthetically pleasing mock-up within Kittl and then also an Etsy listing video. So you can either right click and save image, or you can just screenshot an option of it. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. So I'm just going to say Cappy Pool Preview, just so I know where to find it. Save. Now I'm going to go back into Kittl, and right here is where I'm going to place that previewed picture. So I'm going to come over here to Uploads, and I'm going to upload that photo from here. Now I'm going to click on this and delete, and I'm going to pull this one in, and let's bring it down so it fits into the box. Perfection. Now we are going to click up here. And again, if you don't want the mock-up to look like this, you can prompt it to however you would like, or you can just keep it as is and click regenerate. So that fast, I have a mock-up photo using the preview from within PRINTIFY. Then we can flow quickly into turning this mock-up photo into a video. And the way we can do that, again, just like the other template, is to click here, click on the prompt box and choose regenerate. Click here, regenerate, click, regenerate. You're literally doing like 5 clicks to get a mock-up photo and 3 high-quality Etsy listings. It's a game changer. If you're still watching this, can you please comment game changer in the comment section below? This way I know that you are still watching, and 2, that you're enjoying what you're seeing, and 3, it's going to give me an extra boost in the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much. All right, let's check out the 3 options. So first is the 360 degree. All right, I like it. This one is a zoom in. I like when they touch the fabric. And then this one is a subtle movements. For this, I'd probably go with the zoom in one because I like where she touched the fabric, but I also like the 360. So now instead of having a listing video like this that really doesn't show the customer more of the actual product that they wanted to see, we have a really high quality listing video. So this is going to stand out way more when someone hovers over our listing compared to a listing that looks like this. If you like my simple, straight to the point tutorials, please give me a like on this video. Subscribe for more, like I said, straight to the point, no fluff content. I got you. Thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in the next video. And if you want to take things a step further, maybe you're struggling to make sales on Etsy, it might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop, which is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. I do a video recording of the things that I see that you are doing right, the things that I see that are hurting your sales, and how you can improve those things, along with a bunch of hidden gems. You can learn more about my Etsy shop reviews with the link in my description below.